there's quite a few people don't know anything about the fresh thyme, and that's why I'm keen on the thyme for you guys to use it at home. Okay, now I just came in from the supermarket and I brought myself some more fresh thyme, and yeah, I tell myself I'm going to be doing it on a different term this evening. So what we're going to do, I'm going to show you one of the best way to do the thyme. It's going to take a little bit of a time. So I'm going to simple, you can cut it up using a knife, but I'm going to simple show you exactly what I'm going to be doing this evening with this beautiful thyme. So I just came in and I tell myself I'm going to make this tea tonight. Okay, so what I wash it off already, and I'm just using my scissors and just simple cut it up to show you guys of different ways you can also do it. Okay, all right, so we're getting a portion of the thyme inside of it. All right, just to show you. And this thing, guys, is one of the best you could ever use at home for a lot of your problem what you're going through right now. I'm telling you this. You might have said, Chef Ricardo, I use this all the time, cook with. Yeah, but you see this, one of the best thing you could ever use is to use it and make tea. Okay, so we want to give you a different way. We're not gonna boil it tonight. I'm gonna show you, because sometimes when I boil it, you guys think because I'm doing a show, so that's why sometimes I boil it. Okay, sometimes you don't have to boil things. You can do it this way at home. So I'm already boil my kettle, and I'm gonna give you this. This can also help you if you're going to any pharmacy of stress at home. I would recommend it to you to drink this, okay? Because it will help you to reduce your stress level. Honestly, because you can't tell me everybody have stress. All right? Yeah, everybody got stress, but it's how you manage it at home, okay? Cut off that big piece, and I'm gonna simple cut it up like this and put it inside of it. I'm just gonna simple do it this way. If you don't have this, you can do it into a pot, which I normally do every day. You guys see me making the tea at home. Okay, so I'm just gonna do it this way for you guys tonight because I have this, so I can do it this kind of way. All right, lovely. All right, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna come right here with this. Before we come right there, let's quickly talk about the book. There's a massive 50% on the book right now, because you know it's coming up to the end of the year, and a lot of people are tuning to get themselves a copy of one of this book. All right, a lot of people are telling me that, Chef Ricardo, we need a book. Okay, so if you have one of this, it's going to work perfect for you at home. If you don't have one, please use your pot. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, I'm going to put this right here. Okay, and then I'm gonna simple pour the hot water from my kettle into it like this. All right, so I'm going to make it reach to the level of where it is. So probably I'm gonna put about 1.5 cups of water. My cup is a very large cup. All right, and then what I'm gonna do, okay, I'm going to cover it like this and leave it for it to sleep for at least for about 10 minutes. It won't take too long. All right, yeah, so that's another way you guys can also make your tea at home. All right, now let's big up for you guys in the evening now. Okay, let me plug in this one. That one is going down a little bit. All right, so let's look upon all of my supporter who is online supporting me this evening. Okay, let me see where I am. All right, and I was saying to myself, this thyme is so powerful and so good for us, and it's so simple, something which we cook with every day. All right, also very good if you have thyroid to drink it, because it's the inflammation you want to reduce in your body with your thyroid. Also with the Brazil nuts, if you eat 2 Brazil nuts a day, it can also help you if you are suffering from your thyroid. I was reading up on that today because I'm doing a lot of research on the thyroid, because we recognize that. Okay, also it helps to lower your blood pressure. These are the 12 benefits. Otherwise, on the health side, it helps to lower your blood pressure. Also, it's not me, sister. This is a health website I'm reading it from. Okay, so if you got acne, this helps to fight against acne. Okay, it helps to lower your blood pressure. Okay, all right. Also, it helps to alleviate the cough in your system. It also helps to boost the immunity. Okay, so all right, and also it helps to repelling pests. I need to research on pests. What is a pest? We talk about pests. I need to find out what does that mean. Aromatherapy. Okay, and it helps to boost your mood. So if you're a moody person, you need to drink this. Okay, if you have moody person at home and at work, right? Yeah, that was amazing, guys. With the benefit, so here it is, guys. All right, so we just pour it out just like this. Okay, all right, so I got 2 cups in it, so we can do 1 in the morning, 1 at night, 1 in the morning, 1 at night. Okay, if you like to, you can use good organic honey. Okay, no sugar. Red flag. Okay, don't use it. All right, guys, so what we're gonna do, let's put a little bit of a honey for flavor, and it's also very good for your throat also. Okay, you don't want to put too much sugar and honey inside of it to, sweeten. No, just a tiny little bit of flavor and taste towards it. So let's put this aside. All right, remember to get yourself a copy of the book From Poverty to Purpose. It's on Amazon, 50% off. All right, guys, yeah man, grab yourself one. Okay, and this is the tea for tonight. Let's give it a try. Wow, that tastes amazing. Now the flavor and the taste and the texture is so delicious. Yeah, it's really good.